Is lake life something you've been looking for? Luxury living in style? This is the home for you. 16031 here at Little Ray Court, nestled in Lake Wylie, North Carolina, on its own private peninsula. I'm Adam Sellers with the Queen City Sellers team. Let's take a look inside at this beautiful home. As you walk in the home, you're greeted to 14-foot ceilings and a large open floor plan. With luxury living at its finest, with this open floor plan, you can sit by this warm, cozy fire and enjoy time with family, or host an open party right by that giant island. As you're hosting everyone, this massive kitchen island is something that you'll absolutely love to have friends and family hang out with. Accented with beautiful stainless steel appliances and this beautiful gas stove. While you're finishing up the dishes, there's nothing better than this beautiful lake view and the farmhouse sink. As you come off the open floor plan living and kitchen area, you're greeted with a warm library. After you've read your good book and you viewed your beautiful sunset, you can then climb into your primary retreat, where you're greeted with large ceilings and plenty of room for a king bed. Leaving your primary bedroom, walking into your bathroom oasis, you're greeted with heated floors, a double vanitied sink with granite countertops, and a massive walk-in shower with 2 heads. As you walk into the home and you turn to the right, you're greeted with a private wing area with 2 large bedrooms supported by a Jack and Jill bathroom, a large walk-in shower, double vanity sinks, and granite countertops. One of the most amazing things about this luxurious home is its customization. This upstairs area gives you the ability to make a bathroom or an additional bedroom, or this can be one of the most entertaining spaces in the home. With luxury living at its finest, these dual accented balconies are something to live for. 180-degree views and being able to sit and enjoy the sunsets are something to be desired. As you finish cooking, nothing's more luxurious than coming out here and hosting your friends and family on this beautiful 365-degree deck. With luxury living at its finest, there's nothing better than to finish it off with this beautiful backyard. Accompanied with a 50-foot sand beach and a beautiful private dock, this home at 16031 on Little Ray Court here in Charlotte, North Carolina, tucked on Lake Wylie. I'm Adam Sellers with the Queen City Sellers team. Message me and we'll schedule your private tour today.